Hello everyone. Welcome to hour number 2 of the module Interviewing for Success. I hope you have solved the assignments in our previous video. I hope you have downloaded the PDF. Let's begin with module content. What is communication skills? Why communication skills are essential? 5 effective ways to develop communication skills for interview success and some practice assignments. Most important skills for a successful interview are going to be communication skills. So basically you have to ace your communication skills. What are communication skills? Communication skills are exchange of thoughts, feelings, behaviors in a desired manner. It is an amalgamation of plethora of things together. It may include verbal, non-verbal communication, listening skills, and so on. Why communication skills are essential? Do you know the main reason most people lose their job? You're right, that's miscommunication. You get the job and you keep the job. On average, 50% of the time you are communicating with people and 50% of the time you are listening, which is again part of communication. That means 100% communication skills are required at workplace. So, we are going to learn 5 effective ways to develop our communication skills. Improve your written communication because your resume or CV is going to be your first part of written communication. Maintain good eye contact. Pay attention to your body language. Try body mirroring. Play the rule silence is golden. We'll dig into each soon. Written communication. As I told you before, your written communication is seen by the interviewer even before you meet in person. So make sure there is no ambiguity. Everything is clear and simple. Let's go with step number 1. So you are going to research online for websites helping you with written communication. Resume Builder is one such website which will help you to build your perfect resume by adding just your details. This comes handy when you aren't from the technical background and has less hold on using the computer. I'm going to share some other links as well, so stay tuned till the end. Step number 2. Download the resume and read it out loud twice at least to correct any glitches. There is a step of perfection and this will boost your confidence. So don't skip this. Maintaining good eye contact. Step number 1. Have you heard practice make the man perfect? I believe in right practice makes an individual perfect. Practice one silly exercise but the benefits are visible changes. Watch me and follow the instructions. Step 2. Maintain comfortable eye contact while speaking to the other person. You need to respect the person's space. Try to maintain a reasonably comfortable space while conversing. Note: don't just stare at someone or the interviewer just to show that you are maintaining eye contact. That might be disgusting or uncomfortable and you may lose hope of getting selected. Just be easy and relax. Maintain a proper distance and proper balance. Wear a smile on your face. Ensuring that you are maintaining a good eye contact will take you a long way. Pay attention to your body language. Your body language communicates as much as your voice, in fact, even more sometimes. So, step 1, try imitating public speakers for a good body posture and movements. Be comfortable with the pose while sitting or standing. There's a tip that I want to share. If an interviewer starts to lean back or cross their arms, it's probably a good time to draw a line or stop. Give them a chance to end the interview or ask a question. Notice your body language and the interviewer's body language. Body mirroring. Have you heard this before? If not, I'll tell you. Try this and see how it feels. It's easy yet most difficult. Getting the feel of actual interview, that too sitting at home, can be challenging. But you don't have to worry anymore. We all have to do it, and we have it all for you. Feel the vibe of an interview hall. There's going to be a live session of interview. You can feel the butterflies in your stomach when you first enter the room and feel the anxiety of facing the interviewer. Watch our video and try to body mirror in front of the mirror. This is definitely going to be the edge. Body mirroring will help you the way you look and the way you sit. Actually, look what you feel. Do this. Now, playing the role. Silence is gold. Though we are talking about communication and talking, at times silence is virtue. It plays a huge part in communication. As by now you know, communication is not only to speak but not to speak as well. So, step number one is focus on what the interviewer is asking rather than preparing your rote answers and spilling it out. Deliver only what is asked. Effective listening skills can be involved to achieve this golden rule. So, what can you do if you cannot communicate or speak? Nodding your head as you listen about your job role or feedback can be a positive sign. Maintaining strong eye contact for acknowledgement can be another trait. And raising your eyebrow naturally when you are happy or content after listening shall help you with non-verbal communications. So, finally, what are the do's and don'ts? Do hear the other person out. Check grammar and spelling. Showcase your non-verbal communication. Be clear and concise and be respectful. Don't don't overbabble. Copying from the internet would lead you in crisis. Don't be aggressive or bossy. Say no to long answers, stop at the right moment, and don't copy anybody's style of speaking. Copying from the internet without actual fact might land you in crisis. So give your own answers and don't be aggressive or bossy with your body language. Try to be natural as long as you can. Maintain that good smile, a vibrant smile, and just be successful in your interview. Tips for successful communication. So, as we know, there are going to be some tips. Be confident and clear. Let others finish their sentence. Be a good listener. Be open minded, flexible, and negotiate when required. Truth is always respected. Don't try to fake out a personality that you aren't. Be you and be polite verbally and non verbally. Focus on your posture and mirroring. Don't get carried away while copying the interviewer. Hold your horses and be cautious of how you represent yourself. They say you cannot not communicate. So, even though you're not speaking, you are going to communicate through your body language. So, make it perfect. And towards the end, I would request you to download PDF and also solve the assignments. And here are going to be some website links that I'm going to share where you can actually go and look for resume building. Thank you. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Step number 3.